Hey, this is Gus Cawley with another job alert from Staff Financial Group. Now, our client is a strong, stable, well-established consumer products company located in Metro Atlanta. And they have an immediate need for a controller. This is a permanent position with excellent benefits. And in this role, you're going to have full financial statement responsibility. You're going to supervise a team of accountants, and you're going to report directly to the CFO. Now, the company offers a fast-paced environment, and they're looking for someone who would thrive in that environment. And you must be a CPA, a real hands-on controller with 10 plus years of experience. The ideal candidate should also have consumer products, strong inventory, and NetSuite experience, as well as strong leadership skills. This is a business casual environment, and the company's offering a base salary of up to $150K plus incentives and an outstanding benefits and PTO program. To be considered, please email your resume to gus@stafffinancial.com. There's lots of room for growth with this organization as the company is doing extremely well and continues to grow. Thanks so much and have a great day.